Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. If you want to learn more about Facebook and Instagram ads, please give us a like and a follow. But today I want to talk about how long should your copy be, meaning simply the text in your ad. What is the best length? Should you make a short ad or longer ad? And here I want to show you, here I'm in my own ad account, and here I'm at the ad section. And here is the primary text, which is the text here above the picture on the feed. It depends a little bit on what placement it is, where the text shows up. But here on the feed, it is above the picture of the video. And here we can see Facebook's own recommendation. They recommend 125 characters or less. And Facebook has so much data and information about their users and about other other advertisers. So they really know what works best and what doesn't. So in this case, I think we should go by it. Sometimes I tell you that we shouldn't go by Facebook's recommendations because it is something that benefits Facebook and not so much the advertisers. But in this case, we can go by it. If you're unsure, you can always test it. Make two ads, one ad in one variation and another ad in another variation, but only make one change from the one ad to another one, because if you make more than one change, you're not going to know which change that made the difference. So yeah, hope it helps, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, if you want us to do all this for you, then we are an ad agency specializing in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. If you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with us. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group. Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There's also a link in the description for that. Take care. Bye.